All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Yelich Greensboro bobblehead. This is the thank you, Raz, for entering my Antanasio. So we've removed all the mini spots and Bill Carroll's spot because he's the one that won it. So we'll check the time, July 29th at 9:24 p.m. We're going to go over to the freebie and type live. We've got July 29th at 9:24 p.m. There is the list of our 31 remaining spots. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, guys, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tim. Spot 35 is our winner. So, Tim, please message me to collect your Yelich. That is a shippable one, so just get me your address and we'll get that out to you. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 29th, 9:25 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.